My name is Marcy Clapp, and I'm the organizer of LicensingLive. We decided to hold an event under one roof where we could put people together to share information, to network, to learn from the experts, and to continue to grow as, licensing and entitlement has grown.
Pure software companies, they're changing. They're becoming recurring businesses.
Companies are all becoming tech companies. This is the shift that we're talking about.
This is probably my 8th or 9th LicensingLive. I lost count, but I've been here almost on every event. I was here last year and glad to be here.
You have great speakers here and great vendors and partners here, so it's always good to network, find out what's going on in their companies, what to expect in the future.
I came here to learn more about new business models and how to apply it to our software products.
This gives our team an opportunity to look at the latest and greatest which is going on in licensing industry.
The day's been great. There have been a lot of good speakers. The panel was just a great forum for people to go and talk about licensing, the space, Internet of Things, and where we're going.
I really wanted to see what was being forecasted going forward for licensing and how the industry is being shaped.
As a manufacturer of memory, we're looking for new ways to differentiate. So the whole software monetization and licensing seemed like a good area just to look into.
I'd say it's pretty exciting. I came in last night and there was a lot of action, a lot of activity. And this morning, some really good speakers, and I think we're learning a lot here.
We have customers, we have analysts, we have vendors, all looking at it from different sides, and I think that's a unique event.